Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. As usual, I'm trying to find the best watches under a certain amount of money. And what's helping me here is that I have this Amazon Prime, and anyone with Amazon Prime, at least in Germany and other countries that have these programs, you have this try before you buy. So basically, you order a watch, you order a piece of clothing, whatever it is, and then you try it for 1 week, and then after that, you send it back if you don't like it. And I've been doing that with a lot of watches, and it's been quite good actually, because now I can try a lot of watches and I can show you these watches, and at least I can. Yeah, try to help you make your decision on which one to buy and which one not to buy. So, today we have a watch or a brand I never reviewed or unboxed before, and it's Boccia. Please correct me if I'm wrong with the pronunciation. I don't speak Italian, so I tried my best to pronounce it in Italian, if that makes any sense. So basically, this Boccia or Bocaccia, maybe Bocaccia, maybe it's a titanium quartz watch with a sapphire crystal, which is quite a feat for under 100 euros, or 125 something whereabouts. And packaging is okay. Let's see the watch itself. Let's put this back into the bag. That's also, wow, that's pretty light. Yeah, the titanium makes the watch very light, and maybe too light in my opinion. Well, let's see. So here we have the label, 139 euros, reference number 363305, titanium, sapphire glass, and 10 bars, so 100 meters of water resistance. So basically a very good specs for a daily wearer, because when you get this 100 meters water resistant, you have a little bit of security. And of course, the sapphire crystal gives you another security because you won't be scratching the crystal. So by the way, I'm wearing my Zin. And here we have it. Black dial. So let me take the Zin off. And here is on my 16.5 centimeter, I don't know, I'm 17 now, 17 centimeter wrist. My wrist grew half a centimeter while in lockdowns, and yeah, it's 17. I think it's a good number for me. Matches well with my size preference. I really like smaller watches. I like 36 millimeters, and this one is, let's see. So from diameter, it is 39.5. Lug to lug is 48, and thickness is 8.5, which is quite good, quite thin. And like I said, 10 bars, so you have a, oh, that's a really hard crown, especially that you have this crown guard. Ouch, that's not comfortable. Oh, wow, it even broke my, I don't like that. So I have this, it's actually a green dial. I don't know if you noticed, but this is actually a dark green dial. It looks black on camera, but believe me, it's somehow a dark green dial. The date window I don't like because it does take out the symmetry of the watch. But I guess if you want a daily wearer to go to work with, definitely a date would be helping. You get the Bocaccia or Bocaccia titanium 10 bar and sapphire crystal below here, like the Swiss made. Very nice. It's readily, of course, but what do you expect from a watch for 130 euros? And yeah, it doesn't have any kind of micro adjustment. It has half links here, full links there, It has a female end link, so it does hug around the wrist. Think wrists until 14 centimeters would look good on it. Less than that, I don't think it would look good. Maybe 20 centimeters wrist circumference also would look good. More than that won't look good. It has a polished part of the center link, so it looks like it's 3 links, but it's actually two, or actually it's actually one link. It's actually one link, right? No, it's yeah, it is one link. So you have one link, you have brushed, polished, brushed, polished, brushed, which gives you effect that you have 5 links, which I think it's a good idea, to give a little bit of color. And especially titanium is very hard to polish, so that's also something that might have been raising the price a little bit. The bezel as well has a polish, which I don't like. If you're doing a titanium watch, why do you polish the bezel? You need a watch that's scratch resistant, so why give it a polish? I don't know. Maybe polish the chamfers on the bracelet. That's okay. The sides of the case, sides of the lugs, even this crown guard. And the crown is so hard to open. Yeah, here we have the case back. As you can see, sapphire, the reference number, the water resistance, and the brand name. So anyways, this was about it for this unboxing. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. And as always, the invitation to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Find the subscribe button here. Find 2 videos that might interest you on the left and on the right side. So thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.